Okay, on today's episode of Sticky Situation, I'm gonna try to fix the sills in this cylinder. I put the new cables on yesterday so that at least it's not leaking fluid down from the bottom, but it's still leaking fluid really bad out of this cylinder. So I've pulled the pins off of here. It was pretty easy. You just had to unbolt them, drop it down. I extended the arm out this way to see if that would make it easier. At least it makes it easier so I can reach it while I take everything apart. But these things are heavy, not super light. And once I get that gland valve pulled off, then I can take out the whole cylinder and see whether the seals are completely shot, which I'm guessing they are because that thing leaks super fast. So we'll work on getting that part off and then go from there. I know a pipe wrench is not ideal for this. I do have this Allen wrench here, which hopefully be better, but I don't have all the proper, I don't have a 3/4 adapter for that. Thought I had enough, but my breaker bar is only 1/2 inch, which means that's pretty worthless. And then I have 2 hours to go down to the store and buy an adapter. So we are using the pipe wrench. All right, so getting this bolt out right here was a pain in the, you know what I mean. So I broke 2 wrenches, a table vise, and bent a couple bars. But finally, with the muscle of like 10 guys, we got in. But it was mostly because someone put Loctite all the way around there and then put it in. So anyway, now, after a week of fighting it, I can finally redo the sills. Let's get started on that. Okay, I'm trying to clean these things up as best I can and remember which order I got the seals off in. So it's slightly confusing, but it seems to be like that one. There's that one. And one which is completely falling apart. not look right for some reason. Square with the round one. The other thing that's going to be confusing on this is the fact that I don't have one of these big rings. Which sucks because this one that I did have on there got too hot and melted when I was trying to get it off. So unless it's in the second pack, there are two little hard rings in there. So we'll see if they come in the other secondary pack of them. And the problem with it having disintegrated, I don't know if this one little teeny lighter piece was in between these somehow. It seems too big though, so I'm guessing no. Goes up there with that one. Alright, so that's it for that seal other than the external one. No internal ones on this one. So let's pull the other one off of here, which is having trouble. Let's see if we can get it done. Okay, so I finally got the second part off. It was in there really hard. Took an hour worth of beating on it to get it off. Just with everything that I've done on this thing so far, it's been a big pain in the butt to get through. But yeah, this inner seal's totally falling apart. So nothing left of that one. Like all of them are in about the same condition. They're just coming apart in pieces in there, which is one of the reasons why the seal was leaking so very, very bad. And everything is so old and rotten like that, it's not really a surprise. See if I can clean that out as best I can. These out. Big difference between this one and that one is
a toll. Yeah, this almost looks like it's all rusted out in there. I don't know, probably can't even see it, it's too dark, but yeah, it's like a big ring of rust in there. That's just like rust all the way around. And if there was a seal or something in there, it's not there anymore. This one will go in here, or it would if it wasn't all freaking deformed out now. Not fit in there. I may be out of luck on this one. It's so deformed around here, I can't even get that other piece in. Alright, I got the new sills put in there. This thing where it was kind of warped, it's not all the way around, took a bit, and I got the new sill inside, and then the other one. A lot of people have trouble with it, but if you buy this tool, it takes all about a second to fold that O-ring and sideways and pop it in there. So that part went real easy. The other ones on the outside are really good. Now the big hope is that this will go in. First it'll fit back on the rod, and then second that I can get it back in. These teeth got a little dinged up here, but we'll see how it goes. So I got this one. All the sills are in on that one. That one's pretty good. The only problem I have is my sill kit did not come with this next big one right here. And then this one, when I was heating it up, trying to get that bolt undone, this one melted a little bit. So can't really use it anymore, but I don't have any other choice. I don't have another one to go around it. I don't know, unless I can grind it down again, but that's going to cause problems no matter what. So I hate to put it all back together without having that up to date. So I might have to go back to the dealership and see if I can find one of those spare parts. Anyway, so we'll put it back together as best we can for now. I can at least get this one back on the rod. If it'll fit on there, because like I said, it was all distorted and it's not round anymore. So getting it on is not going to be an easy task by any means. Going on little by little.
Okay, big breather, everyone. Take 5.
Woohoo!
It's a lunch.
All right, I will
But not
go
a wrap.
siesta.
I will go siesta and go see you in 3 hours.
Siesta again. Okay, you receive a small portion for paella.
Your percentage of my
Nobody told me this was on the agenda.
What now?
So a nap was on the agenda.
A nap is always on the agenda. Work just keeps interfering with it.
Yeah. Good plan. The cooler's
Pull
up
out the
there.
water while you're up here.
Because the water is delicious.
And because you dehydrate at higher elevations faster.
Hi.
You're fixing the giant machine?
Yes. Hopefully I can get it up and out of the way so we don't have to take this long roundabout trip through the pits. Tour.
It's the coldest water. No, you guys gotta drink water. Good. Delicious. Wait, no, up. Up in the air.
Okay, so putting this in, I haven't been able to get it all the way out. As you can see, the end sticks way past the bolt. So I'm going to try to turn the tractor on, suck it back in. Got to put a little bit more hydraulic fluid in there first so that it can actually have hydraulic fluid sucked back in since it's all poured out. So keep our fingers crossed and hope that that one works.
Look, there's 2. We're your cheering squad.
Oh, and the brakes don't work. You don't need those if you just drop your bucket down really fast. That's why he kept from going over the edge over there.
Something fell out. Something fell out.
Okay, tell me what it's exactly in. You can lift it up to see if it's right where it needs to be.
You need it like that. Good, good stuff. Yeah, my bolt fell off.
I can't hear because there's a big loud thing.
A bolt fell out.
Oh. Well, that's what goes through there.
I just put that on.
Kind of more. Is it close?
Oh.
are.
Right there.
Is that close enough?
That's right on.
Can we beat it on?
Beat it
Get
on.
on.
This is where camera can be. Ah! Looks like it needs to go that way just a little bit more. I can remember which way that way was.
Still leaking hydraulic fluid.
Oh, now it's looking out of this bait, so.
Hey,
Alright, too far. But I think the hydraulics is out of there. Okay. Pull it up while I push it. See if we can get it.
little one.
Right there.
Oh. I pushed that one. Success?
I think so. So we got one fixed, but of course, as always, now that that one has pressure in it, it caused the other one to blow out because now all the pressure went to that one. So I'll probably have to fix that main boom cylinder too. But at least after 2 weeks of fighting it, I finally got it done. Yay! So just remember, stick with it. You got this. Because, yeah, even Farmer Jeff can get this done.